Hello students, today we are discussing about a new chapter, food for health. So this is very easy chapter. In this chapter we are discussing about what are the types of food and what is the importance of having food. What are the problems we should face if the lack of food. Okay, food is the important thing in our lives beside water. Having healthy food means eating different types of food. Food helps us to grow up and it provides nutrients. We know there are several nutrients it needs to our health. So the nutrients like carbohydrate, the protein, vitamins, mineral, it helps us to grow up and develop our body and stay healthy. So food is a major part in our life. It is very important things. So look at the screen. Here we can see two friends. They are talking. They are facing a problem and they are discussing that. He says that what I like very much is noodles, then fried rice, ice cream and chicken fry. But my mother mostly prepares sambar and avial and sometimes fish curry too. Then she replies that the same case in my home too. In my home, moms prepares always curry, sambar, avial, then amaranthus, moringa leaves like. These are the problems they are facing in their house. What is the case in your house? Your mother prepares always your favorite food? Which type of food you like? Spicy food or fruit, vegetables or fish, egg? Which types of food you like? Make a list. Food I like, food I didn't like. Make a 2 column. Make a list. Food you like and food you do not like. And write out in your notebook. So if you didn't had food, what you feel? You feel very tired if you do not have food. What is the reason? If you do not had breakfast, lunch, then you can play in the evening, you can run. Can you dance? No, we feel very tired. We feel very tired and lazy. We like to sleep. Yes or no? Yes, we like to sleep. We feel very tired if we didn't have food. So, why do we need food? What is the importance of food? Why we need food? First of all, to acquire immunity. To acquire immunity. What is immunity? Immunity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾക്ക് പ്രതിരോധ ശേഷിയാണ്. If you had no immunity power, you will face many problems or many diseases. പെട്ടെന്നായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രോഗങ്ങൾ ബാധിക്കുന്നത്. If you had no immunity power. ഇമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി പവർ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താകും? നമ്മൾക്ക് പെട്ടെന്നായിരിക്കും രോഗങ്ങൾ വരുന്നത്. പനിയായിരിക്കാം, ജലദോഷമായിരിക്കാം, എന്തായാലും പെട്ടെന്ന് നമ്മൾക്ക് വരും. ബിക്കോസ് അവർ ബോഡി ഈസ് നോട്ട് റെഡി ടു ഫൈറ്റ് അഗെയിൻസ്റ്റ് ഡിസീസസ്. ബാക്ടീരിയ ആയിരിക്കാം, വൈറസ് ആയിരിക്കാം, ഇതിനെതിരെയായിട്ട് ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ശക്തി ആർക്കില്ല? നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. സോ ബൈ ഹാവിങ് ഫുഡ് വി വിൽ അക്വയർ ഇമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി പവർ. ഇമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി പവർ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താവും? നമ്മൾക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് രോഗങ്ങൾ ബാധിക്കില്ല. സോ why we need food? First one, acquire immunity power. Second one, to acquire energy. To acquire energy. We all of you know we need energy to do works. So food gives us energy to do all works. If you do not eat food, we feel very tired. We can't do anything. So this is the second point. First one, to acquire immunity power. Second one, to acquire energy. Then third, for growth and development of our body. Growth and development of our body. നമ്മൾക്ക് വളരാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എന്താണ് ആവശ്യം? ഫുഡ് അത്യാവശ്യമാണ്. Okay, now let us see the picture. Here we can see the picture of rice, fish, oil and fruits and vegetables. So rice says that include us in your diet. We have plenty of carbohydrate. Rice says that include us in your diet. We have plenty of carbohydrate. Then fish says we are full of proteins. We are full of proteins. Then oil says we have a lot of fat. We have lot of fat. And at last, fruits and vegetables, it says we provide mineral salt and vitamins. We provide mineral salt and vitamins. So here we can say rice, it provides carbohydrate, fish provide protein, then oil, fat, and fruits and vegetables, mineral salt and vitamins. That we should learn from observing this picture. So can I ask one question? If you had only one type of food, what will happen? You don't like rice, you don't like fruits, you like only fish. Then daily you are having only fish items. What will happen? We will get only proteins. We know the carbohydrate is including in rice. Then we will get vitamins from fruits and vegetables. So if you eat only one food item, we will get only one nutrients. It will be effect in our body. ഓരോ വിറ്റാമിൻസും എന്താണ് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിലെ ഓരോ പാർട്ടിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ പ്രോട്ടീൻ, ഇതെന്ത് എന്തിനാണ്? നമ്മൾക്ക് വളമാണ്. അതേപോലെ ഇമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി കൂട്ടാണെങ്കിലോ നമുക്ക് വിറ്റാമിൻ വേണം, ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ്. സോ വി ഷുഡ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ഓൾ ദ ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് ഇൻ അവർ diet. So let us make a table. Food and nutrients. Make a two table. So we already observe the picture. First one is rice. What is the nutrients including in rice? Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. Then second one is fish. Nutrients, protein. Third one is oil and nutrients, fat. At last, fruits and vegetables. Mineral salt and vitamins. This is a table of food and nutrients. We know rice, it includes carbohydrate, then fish, protein, oil, fat, fruit and vegetables, mineral salt and vitamins. So now we know that we should include all foods, variety types of food in our diet. So here we said that rice is full of carbohydrate. Now let us see about carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate and what is the need of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And the main function of carbohydrate is give energy for us to do work. The chief function of carbohydrate is provide energy for physiological activities or our others activities. Then the carbohydrate provide energy for us. Then the carbohydrate is very important. It is plenty in cereals and tubers. Cereals and in the tubers we can see highly in carbohydrate. So let us make a points of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. So the first point is carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Then second one, what is the function of carbohydrate? The chief function of carbohydrate is provide energy. Chief function of carbohydrate is provide energy. Then it is highly plentifully we can see in cereals and tubers in the form of starch. We can see carbohydrate in the form of starch. There are sugar, glucose, then starch. These are the different form of carbohydrate. Sugar, glucose, starch. These are the different form of carbohydrate. Sugar, starch, glucose. These are the different form of carbohydrate. So here we see that carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and the chief function of carbohydrate is provide energy. Then sugar, starch, glucose, these are the different form of carbohydrate. Then the cereals and tubers are highly in carbohydrate in the form of starch. Carbohydrate, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen എന്നിവ ചേർന്നിട്ടാണ് കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. ഇതിൻ്റെ മെയിൻ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പ്രൊവൈഡ് എനർജി, നമ്മുടെ ശരീരത്തിലേക്കുള്ള എനർജി തരുന്നതാണ് കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ്. ദെൻ ഷുഗർ, സ്റ്റാർച്ച്, ഗ്ലൂക്കോസ്, ദീസ് ആർ ദ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഫോം. കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റിൻ്റെ തന്നെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഫോമാണ് ഷുഗർ, സ്റ്റാർച്ച് ആൻഡ് ഗ്ലൂക്കോസ്. സോ now the energy we need to work is mainly comes from carbohydrate. Now we said that here starch, sugar, starch, glucose, these are the different form. Now let us see about starch. Starch means it is form of carbohydrate, and in cereals and tubers we can see starch. For that let us see an experiment. Before that, here we need, what are the materials we need to do this experiment is test tube, then water and food items. So let us see the experiment.
Detection of starch in food samples. To do the experiment we require distilled water, beaker, potatoes, tile, knife, iodine solution, test tube, glass rod, muslin cloth. Take a potato and place it on the tile. Grind or chop the potato into small pieces using a knife. Using a spatula, put these pieces of test material, that is the potato, into a beaker. Add some distilled water to the beaker. Stir the contents of the beaker with a glass rod. Place the beaker containing mixture over a Bunsen burner. Heat the mixture for 5 minutes while stirring with a glass rod. Now take a beaker and a muslin cloth. Tie a thread around the mouth of the beaker to secure the muslin cloth to it. Filter the solution through this beaker. Take a clean test tube. Pour some of the test solution into the test tube. Take iodine solution using a dropper. Add a couple of drops of iodine reagent into the test solution. Indication of blue-black color shows the presence of starch in the solution.
Here in this experiment we can see a deep blue color. It is when starch is reacted with water, we can see this type of blue color. Is it okay? When the starch is reacted with salt water, we can see this blue color. So now let us see the picture and about the growth of these children. Look at the picture and what is your observation about the growth of these children? Here we can see a clear picture, the growth of the children. What may be the reason for this difference? What may be the reason? The lack of protein. First of all, we said about carbohydrate. Now we are moving to discuss protein. Lack of protein is the main reason for this difference. Protein is another important food item we should include in our diet. So it is help us to develop and growth of our body. Protein help us to growth and development of our body, and it will give us energy in the absence of carbohydrate. In the absence of carbohydrate, protein provides energy for us, and it is very important for formation of cells and hair in our body. The protein is very important for the formation of cells and hair in our body. Then the protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. The carbohydrate is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. So it is one of the important nutrients we need in our diet. We should include in our diet. So let's make a point of protein. Protein, it's made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, and it will help us to development and growth of body. Then it provides energy in the absence of carbohydrate. It provides energy in the absence of carbohydrate. Then it will help us to formation of cells and hair in our body. It plays an important role to formation of cells and hair in our body. So let us see about protein. Protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, and it is plays an important role for development and growth of our body, and it provides energy in the absence of carbohydrate, and the protein is very helpful to formation of cells and hair in our body. Okay, now did you understand what is carbohydrate and what is protein? Now look at the screen. There is a disease caused by the deficiency of protein. The body of the affected will be weak and with a protruded belly. So here we can see these are The main cause of this disease is lack of protein. പ്രോട്ടീൻ്റെ കുറവ് കാരണം വരുന്ന ഒരു രോഗാവസ്ഥയാണ് kwashiorkor. The another disease is marasmus. It is also an example for the disease from lack of protein. So now let us see the quantity of a protein contained in different food item. Let us see the quantity of a food item, protein contained in food item. Look at the table. Rice 6.8, wheat 11.8, cashew nut 21.2, then sardine 19.6, duck 21.6, duck's egg 13.5, hen's egg 13.3, mutton 21.4, cow's milk 3.2, green gram 24.0 and groundnut 17.1. These are the table of a food item and the protein contains in each food. By observing this table, we can say which food item contains a highly protein. Yes, in green gram we can see the protein is a highly we can see in green gram 24.0. Which food item contains a less quantity of protein? Cow's milk 3.2. Okay, so do you understand what are the food items and it contains proteins contains in each food items. So dear students, in this class we discussed about what are the importance of food items and why should we include all types of food in our diet. Then what is carbohydrate? What is carbohydrate? Then what is protein? What are the diseases we should face in the lack of protein? In the next class we should discuss about fat and minerals.